Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to view a UAE VAT summary report in the Fresa Global Application. Let's get started. First, log into the Fresa Global Application. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to the home page. Next, navigate to the menu page. Once the menu page opens, type UAE VAT summary in the search bar and click search. From the search results, select UAE VAT summary. The UAE VAT summary page will then open. On this page, enter the required details such as from date to date. Once all the necessary information has been entered, click submit. After clicking submit, the balance sheet details will be displayed on the screen. To generate the report, click the report option located in the top right corner of the page. You will be redirected to the report page. Click on the balance sheet report to view the balance sheet report. That's it. This is how you can view a balance sheet report in the Fresa Global Application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.